Balcony Doors Modular Construction Considerations. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore modular construction design considerations for balcony doors, including the available options and how they integrate into modular systems.
Balcony doors. This is a big part of modular construction also, because like a window, a balcony door is pre-built, pre-glazed, and brought out to fill an opening in the building. It can be part of a larger elevation. Balcony doors can be swing doors, like you see here, or sliders, such as you see here. And then they can easily be integrated into other components, such as curtain wall in the upper left, precast, lower left, window wall systems, or prefabricated walls. So when you're talking about high-rise multifamily projects, those are being moved toward modular construction, and they typically have balconies on the outside. So you need some type of access from the interior of the building to the balcony on the outside. So a thermally broken swing door or sliding door can easily be integrated into modular construction, because you can see here, nice patio on the outside. So here's a sliding door that was integrated into those modules I showed you a little bit earlier. Here again is a prefabricated wall panel, and you can see where there's openings being left in here for windows and in some cases for doors to go into them. Here's a window wall elevation, all glass. You can see the slab edge cover here, and integrated into it is a sliding door. So very easy to accommodate doors going into other areas. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.